Wal-Mart Stores Incorporated has been accused of knowingly hiring illegal immigrants at 20 Oklahoma City stores. The company could face millions of dollars in fines if convicted. The U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement Agency filed a complaint against the company in federal court. The complaint alleges Wal-Mart's background checks were so cursory that it would have been obvious that the employees were illegal workers. The company's background check consisted of a review of driver's licenses, social security numbers, and work authorization documents. ICE agents said only 3% of the workers' documents were verified through the federal government's systematic alien verification for entitlement system known as SAVE. The complaint says illegal immigrants working for Wal-Mart use fake social security numbers and driver's licenses, altered or counterfeit documents, and documents belonging to other people. The complaint alleges that as a result of Wal-Mart's negligent hiring practices, illegal immigrants have been able to unlawfully obtain employment within the United States, displacing American workers and creating an unfair competitive advantage for Wal-Mart. The company could face fines of $11,000 for each of the thousands of illegal workers it employed. The company could also face civil penalties of up to $10,000 for each illegal worker. A Wal-Mart spokesman said the company was surprised by the lawsuit and that it has zero tolerance for illegal workers. The spokesman stated that they verify the identity and work authorization of all job applicants using both the Form I-9, which is federally mandated, and SAVE. The spokesman also said that they have been recognized as a leader in employment eligibility and have received awards from immigration enforcement agencies for their efforts. Wal-Mart is the largest private employer in the United States, with more than 1.3 million employees.